Hello, friends. I need your help. I thought I had been on roller coaster for help. Let's go and see how they're doing. Let's go. Okay. Number one, we need 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I see corners number 1. Where is your plate corners? Like this? Not? It's not right? Okay. This. No, it's not right. Okay. Maybe this? Not right? Why? And where is number 4? Yes, it is right. Good. Corners number 2. Number 2. Oh, friends, look. It is corners, but where is he placed? I don't know. Maybe this. No, it's not right. Are these? Yes! Yeah, I like it. Corners number 3. Hello, corners. Where is your plates? This or this? I think so. This. Not. It's not right. Okay. This. I think so. Yes. Yes. It's right. Corners number 4. Where is corners number 4? This is corners? No, it's not corners. Maybe this? Not, it's not right. Yay! I see corners. It is right. It's good. Yes! Look. Now we have 4 corners. Ta-dam! And now we need 4 lines. Oh, peach puzzles with line. Cool. Okay. I see peach puzzles with one side line, but I don't know where is place for these peach puzzles. Maybe this? Not. It's not right. Or this? Yes. Look, guys, it is right. Yeah. Now we need peach puzzle this. Maybe this peach puzzle? No, it's not right. Okay. This? Not right. Oh, friends. I think so. These peach puzzles are this. Yes, it's right. It's really? It is bigger. Okay. Now we need peach puzzles with this. 2 peach puzzles. 1 peach puzzles and 2. But I don't know where is place for 6 peach puzzles. Okay, this. Not, it's not right. This. Yes. And this peach puzzles of this. Ta-da! Amazing. And we have 2 peach puzzles with line, one side line, and 2 peach puzzles for in the center. Oh yeah, this peach puzzle with line. But I don't know where place for these peach puzzles. This? Not, it's not right. This? Yes, and yes. And this peach puzzle, this. Yay! Friends, we did it. Now we have all peach puzzles with slime. Yahoo! Yay! We did it. And we have only 2 bridge puzzles for instance. And I think so these bridge puzzles this. What? Okay. Variant number 2. Yes! Cool! I like it. And bridge puzzles the end.
Trying to keep a snowman together when the weather gets warm.
Oh, thank you, friends. Thank you. It's okay. I must have been a false alarm. Please, guys, friends, like this video and subscribe and see you soon. Bye bye.